Assalamualaikum. My name is Delpianus Yardiansah. I'm here to presentation my assessment. The title Emerging Difference: The Influence of Cultural Change on Resident Student Social Life. The introduction: Indonesia is rich in cultural diversity, with more than 300 ethnic groups across the archipelago. This diversity is both a valuable asset and a challenge, especially for young people who migrate to pursue higher education. For example, thousands of students leave their hometowns yearly to continue their studies in big cities. This phenomena also occurs at Universitas Muhammadiyah Kendari, one of the leading university in the Southeast Sulawesi region, based on data from the Academic Bureau of UM Kendari. In 2020, around 39% or 1,500 of the total 3,800 students at this university came from outside Kendari city. The students come from various regions in Southeast Sulawesi province, such as Konawe, Kolaka, Buton, and Bombana district. An article from Kendari Post in 2021 also note that in the year around 50% of UM Kendari new students come from outside Kendari city. Next, this figure continues to climb yearly, showing the great interest of students coming from various parts of the Southeast Sulawesi and outside the province to get a better education at UM Kendari. This move not only involves a change of residence but also brings them to a complex process of cultural adaptation. As stated by Ningrum and Intansari in 2023, is a self-adjustment is a process in life that involves mental and behavioral reaction when facing pressure, tension, frustration, conflict, and life challenge, so that individuals are able to adjust in a new environment. Resident students are often faced with difference in language, custom, social value, and lifestyle that are different from their home environment. And this adaptation process can cause various impacts, ranging from culture shock and communication difficulty to identify crisis. Borkar 2024 assert that culture diversity play an important role in the adaptation process of individuals, especially students who migrate for educational purposes. Factors such as willingness to accept change, autonomy in decision making, and sense of belonging significantly affect their successful adjustment in the new environment. This is introduction, and the first literature review. 1. Cultural diversity. Cultural diversity in higher education has become increasingly significant as student mobility continues to rise across regions and nations. At University Muhammadiyah Kendari, this trend is evident by approximately in 40% of their student population originating from outside Kendari city. Statistic from the Academic Bureau of UM Kendari 2020 further support this trend, showing that 1,500 out of 3,800 students were from regions outside Kendari city. The concept of cultural diversity encompasses multiple dimensions, including language, custom, social values, and behavior norms. Emphasis that culture diversity significantly influence student adaptation process, particularly those who relocate for education purpose. This diversity creates a complex multicultural environment that both challenges and enriches the educational experience. Research by Martin and Nakayama suggests that culture diversity in educational setting creates opportunity for enhanced learning experience through exposure to different perspectives and worldviews. And two, important of culture diversity adaptation. The adaptation and integration of culture diversity in educational setting have become increasingly crucial for several reasons. Bamford and Pollard argue that understanding and bringing culture barriers is essential for enhancing relationally and improving the learning experience in increasingly diverse classrooms. This perspective aligns with research by Chen and Starosta, who found that culture diversity adaptation in higher education leads to improved cross-cultural communication competence among students. Culture diversity adaptation extend beyond mere tolerance, involving active engagements with different culture, perspective, and practice. Student by Williams and Johnson identified several key benefits of cultural diversity adaptation in educational settings. And next, 3. The third, self-adjustment. Self-adjustment emerges as a critical factor in student ability to thrive in culturally diverse educational environments. Ningrum and Intansari define self-adjustment as a process involving mental and behavioral reaction to various pressures, tension, and challenge in a new environment. This definition is supported by research from Taylor and Wilson, who found that successful self-adjustment is crucial for academic success in multicultural educational settings. Next, methodology. And the key point one, the sign of the study. This research employs a qualitative case study approach. According to Yen, a case study is an empirical method that investigates a contemporary phenomenon, the case in depth and within its real-world context, especially when the boundaries between phenomenon and context might not be clearly evident. This definition aligns with our study aim to understand the cultural adaptation experience of resident student. Thank you. And the second participant. This study involved two resident students at University Muhammadiyah Kendari with the following characteristic. And the example, Indah Permatasari, origin Kolaka District, Southeast Sulawesi. She is 20 years old and current semester 5 semester 5. Major English Education Department. Live with her uncle in 2022, then moved to boarding house in 2024. And example 2, Sela Agustina, origin Muna District, Southeast Sulawesi. She is 20 years old, current semester 5, major English Education Department, living in boarding house since 2022. The selection of these participants was based on purposing sampling following patterns. Criterion that participants should be information-rich case from which one can learn a great deal about issues of central importance to the purpose of the research. And the third, location of the study. This 1 month duration was chosen to allow for efficient and focused data collection in a short period of time. During this period, the research will interact intensively with the participants to gain in-depth insight into their experience of the cultural adaptation process. And with a duration of 1 month, this study still aims to obtain rich data through intensive interaction with the participant. This research will be conducted at University Muhammadiyah Kendari, specifically in an English Education Department, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education. The university is located at Kiai Ahmad Dahlan, number 10 in Wawua, Kendari City, Southeast Sulawesi, Indonesia. The English Education Department at UM Kendari was established in 2008 and has been accredited B by the National Accreditation Board for Higher Education. For duration of the study, weeks 1 October 21 2021 and 27 2024. Initial interview with participant. and collection of related documents, and initial observation of student behavior interaction. Week 2, October and November 2024, in-depth interviews with participants. Further observation of participant academic and social activities, and focus group discussion with other resident students. Week 3, November and December, follow-up interview with participant, data verification and member checking. And the last week 4, November and December, preliminary data analysis and provisional conclusion drawing, and preparation of research report. The last week for the last. This 1 month duration was chosen based on Moore's recommendation that qualitative case study focus on cultural adaptation should allow sufficient time for observing patterns of behavior and collecting rich data through multiple interaction with participants. Thank you. I'm Delvian Syardiansa. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.